What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to help prevent another yard from flooding by extending out their channel drains and actually tying it into their recharge system. So let's get started. All right, you see the channel drain right here. It collects all the water that comes onto the concrete, but it's just running off here into the yard, and they don't like that. They're going to have all this rock soon, but you want this water to be able to go somewhere. So he already has a recharge system right here. So we're going to go ahead and tie this into it. Bam. 1.5 inch line drilled right into the recharge system. So that way all the water off the concrete can go in, go out, and this recharge system can actually be used. So let's get started. And here we go. This is how it's going to end up looking. I'm going to glue this in. It's going to go all the way in, and it's going to be able to access the recharge system. As you can see, we're downhill level because you want to make sure you're going downhill. When all the water's going, it can just rush straight out. You don't want any backups or anything. Over here, we're extremely downhill level right before it goes in. So now, to backfill it all before the rain gets harder. And here we go. We're going to simulate the rain, even though lots of rain is coming. The water is going to go into the channel drain. Drain down the channel drain. Come all the way over. And end up draining in the recharge system to the side of the yard. That's exactly how you eliminate water from flooding your yard from the channel drain. Just like that. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.